Hello everyone, so it's me Saif again, and I hope everyone is doing all right. It's late in the office right now. Here tomorrow I have a flight to fly down to Milan. So quick discussion with my friends are also there, and I need to go there right now. And so I was just planning. It's been late at night, and I was just thinking about some of the strategies that I always want to share with you. And so guys, that always the two indicators I always share with you the strategies and all the things. So today I'll be sharing you with envelopes and OSMA, two of the strategies I'll be sharing with you. So let's go check it out step by step. You just need to follow my strategies, just copy the things what I'm doing it and make a profit. So let's go. So start with the thing. We will be checking it out. We will be checking it out. Start with the thing. So let's go start. Place the indicators, that has been OSMA, and all you need to change it to 12 and just make it 22 and keep the period same, default style and everything. That's it, into the green, and save it. And next we will choose envelopes. We'll be choosing it. All you need to change to the envelopes is some kind of, here you need to make sure that the moving average is been changed to EMA. That's all what you need to change it. And period you need to keep it in 14, and style and everything, background you can just make it white and save it. So let's start with the trade. And by the way guys, the candle should be 15 seconds. So as you can see, the timing also need to be 15 here. So let's go start the trade. So first we'll make it from 500, and let's go check it out, which of the good markets we have it, how it has been there. And so step by step. So guys, here I took an upward trend. As you can see, why did I took an upward trend? As you can see, the green that has been crossing it upside down, and it was emergent here. So that is why you need to follow the steps for the things, and that is why I took an upward trend here. And so 960, that is the plus. So one more of the trade will do it, one more of the deal will do it. This how I need to make you understand how you just need to copy my strategies and all the things step by step, one by one, all the things, and that's how we can make a profit again. So let's do one more trend, and let's do one more trade for you. For let's make it from 700 right now. So let's make it from 700. All the things are there, and let's make it, yes, one more. Let's see what it is. 1856. Here you can see the conversion for 56, and let's write out. So let's check it. Let's check it. Let's check one more. This finds to be a good one, but we will think about it and how the things have been going on with all the market. It's really important guys to check what is feasible for you, which kind of things and which kind of market has been suitable for you. So all you need to have this kind of small details and knowledge. Don't only just follow the strategies, but you also need to know the how the market has been working, mostly in the afternoon or in the evening, and how it is. So it's really important also what time of the things and day you trade, also what time you're trading and what day you're trading. That is also very important. So here we'll take an upward trend again, because as you can see how the green has been shooting it up from the upward side, and that's why I took an upward trend trade. So that is what the thing it is when it is going on. And so as I showed you that how you need to be specific also into the way, and plus 1344. So let's do one more last trade, then I need to go down to my friends, just withdraw the money, and then I'll be flying it up. So let's do it one more, and we'll end it. And by the way guys, all the links have been down below to my channels and everything, my live channel, for telegrams, my YouTube channel link and board signals and everything is available, all the information. So all you need to go is down, click my link and join me below also. So one more we will do it, the trend, one more we can make it, and here it seems to be all the things. Getting the details and knowing the small things like how you're checking the market is also very important, because blindly you cannot trade with all the strategies. You need to know it much more ahead how the things will go on. So as you can see the green line, and one more we can make it, one last trade we'll make it for you guys, and then I can withdraw all this amount and just, so let's see how the thing is. So 700, one more upward trend I did it here. As you can see how the green was been going upside down and it was been intersecting. And why did I took this trade? Because the same thing how I follow my strategies with you, and that is the thing, I took an upward trend for it. So that is the thing. And so again 1344 guys, so that is why I think it's more enough. Now I need to go down, meet my friends also. So for all the details and all the links have been down given below, so keep in touch. Thank you so much. So thank you so much.